Have you ever noticed that when someone yawns, you suddenly feel the urge to yawn too? This quirky phenomenon isn't just a human experience. Dogs, chimpanzees, and even some birds share it. Scientists believe that contagious yawning may be linked to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brains mirror their actions, possibly as a way to strengthen group cohesion. This shared behavior could help synchronize alertness within a group, making sure everyone is on the same page. Next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's way of connecting.